I'm Genevieve Taylor, founder of Bristol Fire School, live fire cook, teacher and author of 14 best-selling cookery books. I've spent years teaching people how to cook over fire, not just recipes, but how fire actually works. Fire can feel unpredictable, but cooking with fire isn't magic, it's understanding. Whether you're lighting your first barbecue or refining your skills over embers and coals, we're here to learn properly. No gimmicks, no macho nonsense. I'm not here to impress you, I'm here to teach you how to decide. Fire is just heat. Heat is energy. And once you understand how energy moves through radiation, conduction and convection, cooking stops feeling mysterious. It becomes intuitive. Through teaching storytelling and science, you'll learn master techniques, fire fundamentals, food science, so you're not just copying recipes, you're making decisions. Every Friday I share a new film, sometimes practical, sometimes reflective, always rooted in fire. Cooking over fire should feel grounding, and it should feel joyful, and it should feel like something you can do. It's not difficult. So subscribe and come and master the craft with me.